Today I want to talk about boot camps or HIIT training. Every year there's always going to be a new fitness fad, a new program, like fitness workout style that gyms come up with, to keep their members engaged, to get new clients, and most importantly, give them results as fast as possible, because if clients see results, they're more inclined to stay and keep coming back to those classes. Now, I'm pretty sure that you've seen some of these classes at the gym, boot camps, kickboxing, all these kind of new programs that they come up with, and you go to work out and you see all these people having fun and doing the workouts and sweating and high energy stuff, and sometimes you want to participate because you just want to be part of the group, and you feel like you can accomplish more by having a coach pushing you and completing as many reps as possible and getting a good sweat in. Now, these programs are changing all the time. There's always going to be a new program style, a new machine, a new fitness fad, but there's one thing that will never change and is always constant, and that's how your body was designed to move to remain pain-free and healthy. That will never change regardless of which program you are going to start or which machine you are going to try. Now, why is this important? Well, high impact exercises place a huge load and stress on the body, on your joints and on your muscles. So you need to keep that into consideration. And when these exercises get more intense, get more complicated, they can put a lot of stress on the kinetic chain. So when stress is placed on, say, a hip joint that is lacking stability and there's a lot of weakness around it, now that will also affect the lower back and the knees. So a lot of people, when they have hip pain, they will start getting knee pain. The whole kinetic chain will be affected by this. And also, when you don't learn how to move properly, you don't know how to perform certain exercises with proper form, and you're not aware of your muscle imbalances that are happening, just because when you're exercising you usually don't see yourself in the mirror, you're doing things fast and you don't notice these little things that are happening in your body. So that can increase the risk of injury. And everybody goes through the same routine at the same time. Usually the instructor doesn't have time to go and fix form for each person, right? Everybody is just competing with each other, trying to get through the workout as fast as possible, do it really fast, and you don't pay attention to what's happening in your body. So say an individual has an issue with the knee abduction when doing a squat, so they have a flawed movement pattern that they're engaging in when they're doing a squat. They squat down, their knees go inward. So imagine placing load on that individual and making him or her do a jumping squat. So even though you may be doing a high intensity exercise and your heart rate is up and you're burning so many calories, but at the same time you are increasing your risk of injury and flare-ups. So the very first thing that I encourage you is to fix flawed movement patterns and to fix your posture and learn how to do the exercises properly. Don't rush into these classes and doing these boot camps. If you need to lose weight right now, I want you to focus on your nutrition mostly, and you can use low impact exercises such as walking, and also incorporating corrective exercises at home to help you correct those muscle imbalances, so that when you go to the gym and when you place load on your body, you have a whole muscular system that's supporting your joints, and it is easier for you to perform an exercise because you've built the foundation first. So this is my take on boot camps and high intensity interval training. This is coming from someone who used to do high intensity interval workouts every single day. At one point I had to make a choice between being pain-free, enjoying going to the gym, being consistent, or flare-ups every few weeks. So I made the choice to only engage in low impact exercises so that I can be consistent, I can still work out and lift weights and enjoy being healthy and pain-free, even though there's always modifications, and I've been able to modify a lot of the high intensity exercises with sliders. I have a workout on how to modify certain moves with sliders, so I will link that video as well here. But you can accomplish a lot of things with low impact exercises. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a question, please post it in the comment, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.